Continuing on, I wanted to go over a subject known as reserved words in C++. Reserved words are specific, string characters that you cannot use as variable names or unique identifiers in C++ simply because they're already taken by some other group of code. So take, for example, this reserved word. Notice there's highlighting there. So that's a reserved word. I can't make an integer named that and assign it to something. If I do that and then try to run this code, it's going to give me a compiler error. So let's see if I remember. Let's see. Me, and then I want desktop, then I want C++. Okay, now I need to execute. Okay, so it doesn't have my previous command in the thing, so I'll do G++, and then the file I want to execute, which is miles.cpp, and then I want to write the output to miles.executable. So now I'm going to try to compile this, and it worked. Why did it work? Miles. Oh, I didn't save it. That's why it worked. Okay, I'm going to save it this time. I think. I was thinking about it. Okay, now it's saved. Now I'll try to compile it. Error. Yay! As expected. Okay, so this is a reserved word. So this is actually is short for constant. It basically means it's a descriptor of a variable that's going to be not changed throughout the entire length of the program. And there are many different reserved words, which you can go on this website. Let's see if I find it here. It's like c++.com. You can go on this website, and we'll go to references, and then we'll go to there should be one here for reserved words. Where is it? Oh, it's at the bottom there. So we'll just search for reserved words. And there's actually a forum, and then they say, oh yeah, you can find that here. So these are all the reserved words in C++ and C that you can't use as variable names because they're already taken by other stuff. And I'll link this in my tutorial video. And some other stuff I wanted to go over was that the fact that C++ is case sensitive. So let's say I had a variable name that was like my first var a, and then I had pretty much the same variable name, except instead of lowercase a, it's now going to be capitalized A. Those are different because the casing is different. But if I were to try to do it, I had the same variable name again. Let's see what happens. So let's do the first one and save the file, and then make sure that works. Okay, so that's working. I'm going to save the file and then run this once more. There's an error because we've already defined that variable name in memory already. We can't redefine it. So that's kind of what it's telling you too. Int, notes, previous declared here. And apologize if it's not big enough. Let's see if I can increase font. There we go. That's bigger. So it's previously declared in the code already. Let's see. So there also, what I wanted to go over in this section was data types. I think I might save that for a next video though. Thank you for watching.